The Port Townsend Wooden Boat Festival is a long-standing tradition here in Port Townsend. It's the largest wooden boat festival in North America, and I'd say it's the most fun. Tens of thousands of people come to the Port Townsend Wooden Boat Festival every year, and this year, thanks to the Grizzly tools, they're going to be immersed immediately as they enter the festival through our boat shop and through all of the Grizzly tools. And really, it's a great way for them to kind of imagine how they might be engaging in craft or building their own boat or maintaining one. And thanks to Grizzly, we'll have that experience for the first time.
I just like taking something that's been left alone or not attended to and make it beautiful. The boat I call it Ollie, after my mother, Olive. It's a 1950 Pan Yan, and decided that I wanted to fix it up in my shop. A lot of people, whenever they ask me to buy tools or whatever, I swear by my Grizzly tools. Grizzly's impacted me a lot in my woodworking.
Grizzly tools are just a fantastic vehicle for us. We use them in our boat building classes for everything from teaching people how to use tools for the first time to building their own boat and working with them through a boat building process. And Grizzly tools are such a fantastic vehicle for that. And Grizzly is really a great partner in that mission of ours. More communities are coming to us and saying, how do we do a version of what you're doing in Port Townsend in our own community? And they're reaching out to us and we're helping them, and I hope Grizzly gets to be a part of that as we move and grow.